glad you asked. But to find out how a light bulb really works, we have to start at the source. Meet me over here. And here we are at the source where all the magic happens. When you plug something into the power socket, electricity is flowing up and down these wires that powers all our gadgets and appliances. Isn't that electrifying?
Wow, that's a funny joke.
Well, that's not it. Let's go.
Well, that still doesn't explain how light bulbs work. It's just a plug.
I guess you're right. Felicia.
Hello.
All right, so right here we have a light bulb. A light bulb converts positive and negative electrons into electrical energy. And that electrical energy is converted into light energy.
Okay.
But let's go ahead and get a closer look on the inside of this baby so we can really see what's going on.
Hello.
Let's get a closer look. This particular light bulb is see-through, but it has all the same positive terminals and negative terminals. It's also encased in a glass bulb like an ordinary light bulb. It contains a small amount of inert gas that keeps the light filament, these little orange strands, from heating up too much. But let's get an even closer look at what's going on.
Hello.
Now, when these particular babies heat up due to electrical energy, they begin to glow. And when they get a little too hot, they
will break, and that is called a burnout.
And when it burns out, you got no other choice but to replace it. Hopefully your parents didn't spend too much money on them. But does that answer your question about light bulbs?
Well, it sure does. See you next video, kids.